We throw a salute, give everybody when they look the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on Top Star Times channel 195. This now the Ogbonge Politics discussion show as it is hot. We dey give you the license to talk am as the team be you for body so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action. And the one where we carry come today now the one we go come up plenty fire. My name na Ezogo Chokwode. And as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when Sabi well as stay concerned politics matter as it is hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers watching us right now, and welcome to Thursday's edition of that Ogbonge political program where they do it, where they at least sunshine out with political matters for the grassroots level for our country, Nigeria. And what is the name of the program? As it is hot. On today's matter, what will they look? Will they try look into the statement where Oga Muhammadu Buhari, where he dropped down on Monday? That is on Monday, because this statement gets to do with what people don't agitate for. People don't anticipate, say, make him do this thing, make him do this thing. Say now the change and the why in government today drag, make him do this, make him do this, do that. Because now go allow Chukudi at least give the full disclosure of the matter. Yes, once again, we go also open our phone line for now to Chukman for the matter when that time reach. My name now Kubi, and this is now Ask It Dey Hot.
As Kubi don't do the introduction, I go straight to the point. President Muhammadu Buhari, everybody knows, saying just complete an official 4-day visit to the United States of America, where he go lick mouth, that is, discuss some very important issues as they get to do with Nigeria's security and economy with the #1 citizen of the world, President Barack Obama of the United States of America. For one of the discussion when we say our president get with big men when they inside that place as it take concern politic arrangement for Nigeria, he talk say if anybody they wait making them minister today, say they are on a long thing because no minister until September. Many people hear this talk say, Oga President get one kind of plan. So he need all the time to use appoint the people when we say, go give them the necessary ginger to move our country forward. Other people come talk and say, why you go come at us say no minister until September? Say now sign, say it be like, say somehow, they no prepare. And the confusion when they happen for APC as it get to do with the National Assembly, the thing don't block their eye. Now wait till we go chook mouth on top today to look inside all the cocoa when they inside this story. So
yes, because we don't get too much agitation and talk, say, look, is this what the government have promised us? Now the change where the government don't promise us is, why is this leadership slow in appointing the major people who go do it? We go enter straight into action. Unto say before they come into government, I think they go don't take their own eyes, say, okay, now these places will get issue, now that place will get issue, now here will get lapses. And for that reason, once we are coming in straight up with action. Just do it to come the attack and launch attack on the various problems we will get, so at least Nigeria feel they move forward. But then Oga Muhammadu Buhari don't come and talk, say, look, we don't need to rush. And they leak soup where they hot, then they rush them. I think they take your time. You need to take your time. After you can't even take America, even Barack Obama has seen this, so say it take a month before he even name his own ministers. So for that reason, Nigeria it will be better for him to take it slow and get it right than to rush into it and fail. So at least that is a laudable statement from a leader we all know will give us good leadership.
The example about Barack Obama is a non-issue.
It is an issue.
It is not an issue at all. You see, the problem when they always get now, say, when people look the Nigerian situation, can they compare us to other countries to justify? Excuse me.
Example.
I allow you talk.
Example.
I allow you talk.
I had that right to talk.
President Barack Obama, they deal with the problem of Boko Haram. President Barack Obama, they deal with the problem of economy when get killed.
Yeah, I know they get
President Barack
external
Obama,
issue.
They deal with
Then
problem
they
when we
get
say
external aggression.
state governors,
Then they get
not free
issues
pay
from
salaries.
people where they
How you
fight
going to talk
for?
say President Barack Obama, he taking time to
Listen.
name ministers.
See,
the time when President Barack Obama
as
the
long
campaign
as
a
the
democratic
leadership
presidential
of Muhammad
candidate,
Buhari
what
dey,
did he talk?
to me and to Nigerians that sincerely wants true leadership and good governance, at least Oga Muhammad Buhari don come and talk and say, look, e go better for am to do take am slow, get am right for the leadership, rather than to say one rush into leadership in the end. Me Nigerians come say, oh, so this is the promise you promised us. Since our government, since people were appointed for this position, since people were appointed for this, they are not doing anything.
Meaning say the people wey surround am when he go appoint from na people wey get K-leg. So now why the fear dey? Who could be on the 1st of
There's
April
no fear in this
2015?
case. No, the time
The
say fear
former
dey
INEC
anything.
chairman Professor Tahiru Jega made the
Yes,
announcement.
that was.
Declare say President Muhammadu Buhari, based on the fact that Nigerians don't come out en masse to vote for them, they don't make am president of Nigeria.
So
From April 1st to May 29th, approximately 60 days to arrange anything.
Just a couple of days.
A couple of waiting.
A few days.
A
Now
couple of
you don't
waiting.
dey lament like this. Now you don't dey cry like this. After all, haven't we seen government who say they will take over power immediately? We not going to even see any action.
Haven't we? You see, the problem when I get with you, we say, you
Don't tell me say you get problem with me.
I have a problem with you.
Don't tell me you have a problem with me.
I have a problem with you.
Why will I be a pain to you?
Is it not my problem that I have with
So
you?
why will you not see me as a problem?
Who get
in
the
you?
problem with you? Now me get the problem.
Don't use me. Look for something else.
I have
as your
a problem with you.
You can't have a problem with me.
I have a problem
Don't
with
see
you.
me as your problem.
I have a problem with
Don't
you.
see me as a problem.
I am seeing it as a problem.
Why will you see me as a problem?
Because it's my eye. It's my eye.
Don't see me as a problem.
I'm seeing it.
You could see somebody else as your problem.
Allow me to, before I forget
I
this
will
point,
not.
you must allow me.
You need to withdraw that statement that you are seeing me as a problem. Withdraw it.
Sue me. Sue me.
Kudi.
Sue me.
Withdraw that statement.
Sue me.
Withdraw that statement.
Withdraw waiting.
Withdraw that
Who could be?
statement that
Allow
you are
me
seeing me
give
as
my
a
point
problem.
because when I won't come,
If you don't withdraw that statement, I don't allow you to talk.
come up for your
I don't
chair.
allow you to talk.
Okay, continue now. The problem I have with you.
You are saying a percentage on the problem you have with
me. The time when APC they campaign.
You don't do you. Don't mind yourself. You don't do you.
I know they mind myself.
You don't do you. Mind yourself.
I know they mind myself.
Respect yourself.
You see the issue what they get now. A lot of, I go speak English. A lot of conspiracy theories don't they come up. Some people talk say
conspiracy theories where they come from where and where.
Thank you very much. Based on what they see.
What are the things
whether you like it or not, as you never agree, accept. And all the people when we say they support APC don't come this program, they don't agree, accept. There is a crisis in the APC when get to do with the fact that some people their own
and this crisis is gradually being resolved. When me and you know.
How is it being resolved?
It is gradually being taken care of.
July 21st, when just passed so. Now the National Assembly is supposed to reconvene. They can't shift and go forward by a few days. We can't hear say some members of the APC members, legislators, they go court. They go court. Who then drag go court? The speaker, Honorable Yakubu Dogara, who is also a member of the what? APC. And they tell me say they don't resolve it. They don't resolve it.
It is still in the process of being resolved. Now
your wife. Wait.
No, don't. It's after launching an attack on me that you're seeing me as a problem. You want to use me as an example. I won't take that from you.
You don't know whether I'm a good example.
I don't want your good example.
Now money.
I don't want your money.
Money there inside.
I don't want your fake money. I don't want your money when not visible. As long as the money not visible to me, I don't want it.
So long as it's my example, I will use it. I have the right to use any example I want to use.
You don't have any right.
I will use you as the example.
You don't have any right.
You and your wife, they quarrel.
You don't do you.
I will use it.
You don't do you.
I will use it.
You don't do you.
You never do me. I will use
don't
it.
do you.
Is it not my right? Freedom of expression when we say the government of
must your
give
freedom
us.
of expression, you must use it to launch attack on people.
This which attack? Is it an
launching
attack?
a verbal attack on me.
How is it a verbal attack?
You are launching an aggressive verbal attack on me.
Your body swell up. I hit you. I give you blow.
Don't do you.
I give you kick.
No say words are heavy.
You and your wife they quarrel. You understand? When a landlord call from inside, from outside, landlord they hear, hey, giddy. Landlord come from outside say, Mr. Nkubi, my tenant, that is owing me 3 years rent, and that is still fighting in my compound with his wife. Instead of going outside to fight his mate. I just give this example because I just want to use it so that you can understand what I mean.
You're a wicked man.
Am I a wicked man?
You are very, very wicked.
Now example now.
How in fact it is now I know say you don't like me.
Now example.
You don't like me. 3 years rent. I owe 3 years.
Nkubi.
You as a landlord, if now you dey in that shoe, you go still allow me to live for that house?
Forget how much you owe me. I give this example.
You are no for mentioning that lengthy duration of rent.
Okay, make I reduce that 18 months.
I don't want it.
9 months.
I don't want it.
At least Oshu said today, 8 months.
What has Oshu got to do with me?
Why is an example? Why will you not want?
Why don't you use somebody else? Today is there.
I must
use is there.
Unkubi, I must use you as this example so that you will get
don't
a
use
clear
me.
picture.
Don't use me. Don't use me. Let us address the issue on ground.
The issue on ground now be say, I don't get problem with Oga President Muhammadu Buhari. He's my father. Everybody knows say me and him. Excuse
he's your
me.
Yes.
Yes.
He's your father. Now
Yeah.
you come to talk all this way they talk.
Because
give this
I
man
must
a chance.
Because I must
give
speak
him
the
a
truth.
chance to
Because
rule.
I must speak the truth.
This is a man that is
Unkubi.
gradually taking it easy. Allow him land.
Unkubi, you see?
Allow him land.
Unkubi, Unkubi, you know who you
I
be.
think we never see at least some good steps they don't take to make sure say at least that demand for Nigerians the world we never they see some.
Unkubi, Unkubi, you know who you be. You are a political hallelujah boy. A political hallelujah boy. You know what I mean? People when we say they go see through, they don't go agree talk because of what they collect. Yes. Yes.
So
because of what they collect.
Say, are they corrupt?
Now you they talk that one, no.
No, now
I don't mention corrupt. I don't mention corrupt inside the sentence.
You just said it.
I've not said it.
You've just said that I'm corrupt.
You said it with yourself.
You said because of what they collect.
You use your mouth talk.
No. Now corruption you don't accuse me.
You use your mouth talk.
You have accused me of corruption on this program. You have accused me of for standing to tell Nigerians, say, Nigerians, this is the truth. And when Nigerians know say that the truth, where it be. Nigerians, which would you prefer? Would you prefer a government where go rush into the system and in the end, after 4 years, now no see one chicken result. We don't see them for the past how many years? Since 1999, how much of the results have you seen? How many years so far? But this is the government that has promised to deliver. This is the government who will not say yes. In the history of Nigeria, this is one government who will not say yes. We don't give us our home and say yes. This government will get it right. At least give this man a chance. Even if he's taking it slowly.
Everybody don't give President Muhammadu Buhari chance. I don't talk here for this program say President Muhammadu Buhari, whether we like him or not,
he never read 2 months when this
all
man
things been equal.
He never read 2 months when this man. He never read 2 months when
this man go dey this government for 4 years. Whether you like it or not.
Allow him breathe.
But Nigerians get problem with the kind of people wey surround them and the kind things wey they see.
Chukudi.
Make I explain.
Gradual process.
Who be the people wey be say go occupy all this minister office? Now people wey dey from a political party. True or false? But President Muhammadu Buhari dey surrounded by some people wey be say Nigerians dey look say they are dead no straight.
The people wey dey corrupt dey in government, they among the political party that he's going to deal with them.
Thank you very much. Unkubi. So if our president, if he name ministers today, if he name ministers for September, if he name ministers for January 2016, these corrupt people wey still surround them, if they see they dip their hand inside the cookie jar, now we say the next 4 years we no go see anything.
Allow this government.
What we want is a system.
Allow this government plan before you go start to condemn.
Where they fly go?
Stop kicking against
them.
Where
they fly go?
Allow them land.
Before May 29, they fly. Now they don't land. Make we see action.
It's a gradual landing.
Let us see action.
Gradual landing.
Gradual landing. Surrounded by people who get killed.
Before plane go land, they take them easy. They take them easy.
The first visit when Oga President go outside this country, he go the African Union Summit for South Africa. Who be the people who follow him? We see people like former governor of Lagos State, Babatunde Raji Fashola.
Beautiful.
Excuse me, let me laugh.
A credible man.
A credible man.
You would want to at least make it there among the government.
Thank you. Kayode Fayemi.
A man you would also want make it there the government.
Thank you. We see these people, the whole file. Nigerians look say, if we check the record of these people are qualified.
Thank you very much.
Now, President Muhammadu Buhari come follow people go the United States of America. Who be the people who follow him? Governors when we say they leave their office, they owe salary. Some see they owe till today.
Adam Oshimole.
You say waiting.
Is he not credible enough? Is it not
He don't spend money for wedding. No, let us talk on this thing. We know these things. No, they tell me say this. No, they bring your voice down. No, they bring voice down. Make you come like say me, I want to talk something. And they talk say we know say that wedding. Now they look me say this thing. I don't wait till they talk. I'm going straight to my point.
You cannot even come out and tell Nigerians waiting. In fact, you see, that is to tell you are not even capable.
No, be me they control my voice.
Yeah, now
I can take it down and bring it up.
That's the way you want. They slowly tell me.
Waiting, I tell you. I said, Comrade Adams Oshomole, governor of Edo State.
Yes.
When we say the capital na Benin.
Yes.
When we say he be former chairman of the NLC.
Thank you very much.
When we say na the Nigeria Labour Congress.
Yes.
When we say in Nama, when we say we see him in the defend the rights of Nigerian workers. Before the Nigerians come inside say
You don't carry the talk matter shit. Don't they deviate?
I mean no wetin I want talk.
No, go that way me and you just whisper to ourselves.
I no whisper anything to you. You are
I don't know Shomole do it.
You whisper yourself. I no whisper anything to you.
As we whisper,
I no
talk, I want make you raise your voice.
You no whisper anything. Now you whisper your own. I don't talk wetin I want talk.
What you know what people follow them go? This is them way now. Where don't they say? Where don't they give all the accolades? Don't they give all the appraisal to? But this man, there among people will go this speed.
What about Governor Rotimi Amechi, former governor of Rivers State? What is Governor Rotimi Amechi? What is Governor Rotimi Amechi?
He's a member of the party.
He's a member of the party.
He's a member of the party.
Oh,
and after all, he knows the government.
Oga President talk
in the government.
Oga President talk say
in the government.
He can't follow them go. He can't follow them go USA. Enjoy our money. Enjoy Nigeria money.
But in the government,
who could be warned?
But at least he's intelligent.
Who could be warned?
He's the kind of leader who also wants.
Every corrupt person will not escape the law.
Well, of course, we know that one.
Whether the person dey my party or not.
Yes, because Oga Muhammadu Buhari has said that already.
All the people when we say that
they
jump ship. I go give you as I go talk am.
Talk am.
The former governor.
Don't you have these same people as part of your members?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
For you to come and look and say, like say all of una dey immaculate, una dey pure. Former governor of Adamawa State, Murtala Nyako. Thank you very much. When he rush from the PDP, when he say, hey, after I not talk so kind things.
Oh my, you say you see points, Abi.
You say what?
If you say because of say people they come out from PDP, they join APC for that reason. You don't see them as something where you want bank on.
They have points.
You want them as something you want bank on.
That same South Africa, the example when I just give, when they ask President Muhammadu Buhari say, why you never name ministers? He talk say,
taking time.
No be take time. He talk say the handover note when they give am. He talk up. We need the black and white.
Show me for where they.
Nigeria.
No. Because Shebi, show me where he write am. Show me where the interview come from, and show me at least a written statement to see what he talk. Then I and Nigerians will believe you.
Who could be? You see,
because right now all these things they talk, you know who to talk.
When Ikechukwu, GBK. And Babake they read Wazobia sharp news. Where you dey
Chukudi,
go?
Look.
No, where you dey go?
No, they ask me those kind of questions.
Why I no go ask you?
As long as I was not
something when they for news, everybody see am.
It has not. I have not confirmed it. I need to confirm it first before I go accept. Say yes.
You know why you never confirm am?
No,
there is no minister. If we get minister of information, you go down here and you go down here.
Don't just withdraw that.
You go down here and you no go down here.
Withdraw that your hand because if you just straight that hand any further. I'll be sorry what will happen to that your hand. You'll be sorry for yourself. Not just stretch that your hand for that. Because that your hand don't they pass in boundary. Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Say my hand dey like this.
Respect yourself.
Is it not my hand?
Don't point your hand. And you're not even pointing just one finger at me. You're pointing your entire 5 fingers at me. Like this.
This one way you don't like this. Change. No, this one don't change.
No.
Like you
are pointing your entire fingers.
No, like this I do. You are like this.
You point your entire fingers at me.
These two they different. I do like this. You do like this.
No. It's don't bring it that. Like this.
Don't face it to me. Face it to yourself.
No, like this. I say your 5 fingers. Yeah.
If this is not what I pointed at you. Now like this I do. You they point like this one to me. I will deal with you on top of this.
Don't tell me you do it.
I will continue to speak the truth.
I will also continue to speak the truth because I still see nothing wrong in Oga Muhammadu Buhari saying he cannot appoint his ministers till September. What is wrong with that? Chukwudi answer. What is wrong with that?
Thank you very much.
Don't keep giving me excuses when you say, what is wrong with that? Allow this man breathe.
You ask questions.
Make space to drink water. Make it drink water, keep cup down. You never even drink water, you just accuse her.
You ask question, you answer your question.
Allow me, it's my question.
Let me answer it.
You're not testing anything.
I have answers.
I don't want your answers.
Now,
I don't want your answers.
Who could be wait, make I land. You know, you cannot dodge this one. You are in trouble today. Now, the minister, the role when we say minister, everybody knows, say, for government, for the civil service, we get permanent secretaries, we get directors. These people are the technocrats, let me put it that way, when we say that they run these ministries. Now, the role of the minister, although people don't say a political appointment, but the minister...
And political appointment also be a mindset. Even with this same political appointment, why do you think Oga Muhammadu Buhari they try taking time to make sure say at least he see credible people? Because he don't also talk say he ain't ready to work with anybody. Thank you for even saying that. At least Give him a chance. Let us see
since
where
April
his
1st,
ministers will come from.
when Oga Jega declare a winner, he never see the people when he go work with. He never see the people when he go work with.
Some governors
this one are really reflection say the people wey surround am, he no trust them. The people wey surround am, he no trust them.
But say he go wan make appoint these people as ministers. Wetin he tell them?
Who be the people wey go meet am?
He turn am back say,
who be the people wey go meet am?
Unto say wetin?
Who be the people wey go meet am?
He wan work with the best of hands. It is not necessary to say you must come from that political party before you be named a minister. It does not work that way. That is what he wants to do.
If you want to move this country forward, you go work with people who get the interest of this country.
Thank you. Now wetin in the fight? Now wetin in the take time to make sure say
for the firing line and I will fire you. You don't even remind me of the visit when we say APC governor. Wear your cap, Nkubi. No. Wear your cap. I will never take you promoting cap for me on top of this program because I dey look you all these days. We go talk small thing, you go run comot cap. You think I dey fear you? No. You think I dey fear you?
You can afford to remove your suit and drop it on the table.
No.
Maybe you don't threaten to remove your suit.
No, they ever come cap for me.
Remove your suit back, drop and there. Make no say yes. The fight don't enter. We don't enter into ourselves. I don't come out cap. I don't invest. I don't come out cap. Say me girl, drop her. Come out your suit if you get that liver to challenge me for this discussion. Put your suit down. Let us enter into ourselves.
No, they ever commot cap for me. Now, which I don't even like. You they commot cap based on say waiting. You won't beat me. I'll be waiting. Why you they commot cap? Wear your cap. I will seize this cap. I will seize this cap.
Okay, Mama Buhari talk say, look, give him chance to work. If people bring ministers list, he say he cannot accept.
Which people bring him? APC.
I'm not mentioning here.
APC government.
I run away from him.
They call him Nigerian.
I run away from him.
This one shows that the people who surround our president. Now people who say they don't want well for this country.
It also shows that the individual himself is gradually cleaning up the system.
Nkubi, one question. They say governors don't pay salary. Our president provide bailout. I mean, no provide bailout
for the entire government.
For the we also
include your political party.
He provide bailout.
He also include your political party.
He provide bailout. I mean, no provide bailout.
Include your political party.
He provide bailout. I mean, no provide bailout.
He not include your political party.
Till today, you know whether the governors don't collect this bailout.
Ask Benue State.
Till today, you know whether this governor don't collect this bailout.
Ask Benue State.
The information when we not get
now because of say
people wey suppose get the position, they don't get that position.
13 months salary.
President Muhammadu Buhari.
Abia State, they owe like 10 months salary. Ask them.
Only a handful of people in the civil service.
Oh, handful.
What about governor for Ekeshola when they owe everybody inside civil service? From gateman to messenger.
Even if now gateman, even at the smallest position for that same people who come from your side.
Who the old people pass?
Chukudi.
Who the old people pass?
Don't ask me the question.
We go this break.
We are not going on any break.
We are going on the break.
Chukudi, we are not going on any break.
We are going on the break.
Chukudi, let me
let's go on the break.
Oh, you don't fear that. You want to drink water.
We are going on the break.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.